Welcome to Forex Trading with Mvuselelo. From this channel, you will learn a lot from beginner stage, intermediate into expert. You will learn different strategies of how to trade and able to up your skill. So here, you will able also to learn the tools and how to use the tools for trading and how to analyze the market. From this video, I will start in a beginner level to make it clear or able to understand, even if you have traded before. However, you don't know the fundamentals of Forex. So here I will just go straight to the fundamentals and make you able to understand what is Forex and what is Forex trading exactly. Here is the tool that I've opened. This is MetaTrader. I can say it's widely used by many traders are using this platform to execute trade or to take trades on this platform. So what is Forex? It is a global financial market that allow one to trade currency. Forex exchange. Forex or FX trading involves buying one currency and selling another while attempting to profit the trade. An exchange rate is the relative price of two currencies from two different countries. If you think a currency will be strong versus the other and you end up correct, then you can make a profit. What does this mean? Let me show you here with this example. For today, a dollar to a rand, it's 18 rand 40. So which means if you have took a trade Sunday 7 July, you see that a dollar was 18 rand 15 cents. So today it went to 18 rand 40 cents. Currently 18 rand 40 cents. You can see from here is 18 rand 40 cents. Wednesday 7 August. Sunday 7 July was 18.15 cents. So this is what's happening. If you think one currency will be strong versus the other, you can see that there's a fluctuation in the market or in the exchange prices. It is these changes in exchange rates that allow you to make money in Forex exchange market. How does Forex trading work? Forex trading is when you speculate on whether one currency will rise or fall in price against another. This is what I was showing you on Google on how to see the change in prices here. So the value of currency is influenced by economics, political, geopolitical events, and trade and financial flows. So different geopolitical events, certain political events that are happening in certain countries, the economy of that country influence the currency of that country at certain times or certain days, and some financial flows and certain trade by financial institutions and many other factors that influence the value of currency. So placing a trade in forex exchange market is simple. It's so simple, placing a trade. When a euro, this is the example that I've made, when a euro it's 1.18 to a dollar, it will be $11,800. When a euro to a dollar, it's 1.25 equals to $12,500. So this means when you take a trade at this rate, then the rate changes to this rate, then there will be a change in the dollar. So which means the profit that you will get, it will be this one. Like it will be a difference of the time you take the trade, how much was that currency, with difference to that time of your currency. It might happen that you take a trade at 12.5 here, let's say 12.5 was here, then you taking a trade, then it end up going down to here. So you'll find the difference here will be minus 7 instead of 700, minus 700 instead of 700 plus. An exchange rate is simply the ratio of one currency value against another. So let me show you how this thing is on the, when you check here USD or Euro USD, Euro USD rate. Yeah, as you can see today, a Euro USD it's 1.09, which means here you're going to times by 1.09. It going to give you a value. Then after some time, let's take today was 0.09. If was yesterday or tomorrow, it will go to 1.010. Then here it will be 1.010. Then you will get this. So your profit will be a difference of tomorrow minus of today. Then you will get your answer. I hope we still together at this one. As indicated, that Euro USD exchange rate indicates how many euros can purchase one USD dollar, or how many USD dollar you need to buy 1 euro. That's the example I was making. How to read a forex code? Currency are coded in pairs. As I was showing you that USD ZAR is the pair, GBP USD is the pair. The example I was doing of Euro USD was a pair. So the pair are coded like GBP USD, GBP USD. The reason they are coded in pairs is that in every foreign exchange transaction, you are simultaneously buying one currency and selling another. This is the first GBP USD, is the base currency. The first listed currency to the left of the slash is known as the base currency. The second listed currency on the right is called the counter or code currency. So here, this is the code currency. This is the base currency. A base currency, a code currency. I hope we are together at this one. Let me also show you on this is the base currency. This is the code currency. This is on MetaTrader. So it will depend on what MetaTrader you'll be using, the vision. It might having maybe a larger, or how you set it up, a larger base or code, how it shows on that side. So long or short, how do you know which currency you are buying and which you are selling? If you want to buy in trader talk, this is called going long. If you want to buy, which actually means buy the base currency and sell the code currency. You want the base currency to rise in value and then you will sell it back at higher price. Just remember that going long means buy. If you want to sell, which actually means sell the base currency and buy the code currency. When you sell, you want the base currency to fall in value and then you will buy it back at the lower price. This is called going short or short position. Just remember, short equals to sell. Let me show you here. Here is when you go short is where you'll execute sell. When you say buy, at this is where you are going to execute buy, when you buy on a MetaTrader. So this is similar even when you use a mobile device, your Android, your iPhone, your whatever operating system the phones are using. I'm not sure about the Huawei, what operating system they're currently using now. So if they have the MetaTrader on their app store, however, it will be similar to this one. So when you sell, it will be this way. When you buy, it will be this way on the code and the base.